Hello traders, this is Chris from MarketSwingTrader.com. I just want to let you know this is an educational video. It's not an endorsement to purchase any stock options or futures. This is just for educational purposes. This is my personal trades. If you do trade, please trade with paper money. Okay, SPX. Today we had a nice 11-point move. We gapped up on the futures. So if we look at the SPX today, we just gapped right up and we just held it. Tomorrow's resistance pivots are for the SPX 1305.5, and that's the resistance pivot. The pivot point is 1289.75, and the support pivot is 1283. Now, if we look at the daily, the pivot point moving averages are still sloping upward. We did not close below the previous low yet. We did not close below any of the pivot point moving averages. Stochastics is still embedded. So we have resistance on the monthly at 1310. But also if you switch over here to the daily, tomorrow's resistance pivot is 1305. So we got some major resistance at 1305, 1310 if we make it up there. I don't know what we're going to do. Tomorrow I'm going to look at the futures, see if we're gapping up or gapping down, or if we're going to open up normally. Now, yesterday's video, I had 3 stocks that I was looking at: FFIV, WAG, ADSK. I did not get into any of those trades, and the reason is, like I said in yesterday's video, if we gap up, they're broken trades. I'll walk away from them. If we gap down, then I will possibly get into the trades, but I have to think, do I really want to get into these trades and make sure my risk reward is good enough and make sure I have good defined risk if I do get into the option plays. So if we look at FFIV, we had a nice update, but if I would have gotten into FFIV, it would have been a losing trade for me. Okay, if we look at Walgreens, we had a nice update. That would have been a good trade. That would have been a positive trade. ADSK, jump in the open. That would have been a positive trade. So 2 winners, 1 loser. I mean, that's pretty good. So even if I did play these today, I wouldn't have gotten clobbered. ADSK, if I would have jumped in at the open, ran up. The first half hour, you would have made money. With Walgreens, first half hour, you would have made money. FFIV, first half hour, I probably would have broke even or lost money. More than likely lost money, first half hour. So, but they did gap up, so I did not play them. Now, tomorrow, I don't have anything on my watch list for tomorrow. I did run some scans. Nothing really I do like. I'm sticking to my trading plan. So I really didn't get into anything. One thing that I did get into was the Russell 2000 Index Fund. So right now, what we have here, and let me switch over and show the expiration Friday. Okay, so we open up here and we closed here. We open up here, we close here. So that's what I'm looking for. On the Russell 2000, we have resistance. These lines right here, these dotted dashed lines, are the expiration dates. Okay, what I'm looking for is, yes, at $78 we have resistance here, and then we have support at around 73.25. Pivot point moving averages are sloping upward, but the candle that we have, okay, we had a big gap up day. What I'm looking for is to fall back to have a snap back to the pivot point moving averages. Okay, if we close below, then we possibly could sell off, and if we do go up, then the calendar that I'm in, I'll just have to adjust them if we come up, or just, since it's defined risk, just hang on to them and see if we move back into a profitable trade. As of right now, it is a profitable trade. Now, on my website, now I don't have anything on my watch list for tomorrow. I'm not going to trade anything. No day trading, no intraday, no swing trading. The only thing I got into was IWM, the Russell 2000. Today I threw on a calendar. Also, I threw on the calendar at Starbucks. Put on a 46 put calendar on Starbucks. So I'm looking at Starbucks to, Starbucks slowly grinds up. As you can see right here on the expiration dates. You grind up, you grind down, you grind up, kind of consolidate. So it's not a big mover. So that's what I'm looking for. I put on a 46 put calendar on there on my trade page. If you go to mytrade.com/market swing trader, let me log in here, and you'll be able to see that I have a calendar on SPX at the 46 puts. Also have a calendar on the 75 puts on IWM. Okay, so that's 75 puts on IWM. So I'm looking for a snap back to 75. So, and that is the February, March, and February, April for Starbucks. The reason I did February, April is because hopefully I might be able to roll some of the Febs into March on Starbucks. But we'll see how that trade works. If you don't know how to roll, then hopefully I'll be able to show you guys a live video of me rolling the Febs into March. But those are two trades that I put in. Those are calendars. So if we do get a pullback, then should be able to make some money on those. And also, if you go to marketswingtrader.com, if you go there, you will see a link on the home page that says My Trade. Now, if you go to mytrade.com, then you go to mytrade.com/marketswingtrader, or you can just click on the link on marketswingtrader.com. What that is whenever I put in an order in Thinkorswim, I can choose to show that live order and have it populated onto mytrade.com, so you know what I'm getting into and what I'm getting out of. So that's just a way for people to track my trades. Are you really making profits, or are you not making profits? So if you just go to marketswingtrader.com, there's a link on there for my trade, and also you can check out some of the educational videos there. So as of tomorrow, I don't have anything. I do have a couple things on my watch list. I'm not going to go over them until the trades are ready to set up. And when I do enter them, there's a couple calendars, a couple credit spreads that I'm looking to get into. When I do put them on, they will be posted onto my trade page. So go ahead and check it out. Also, I'll be doing videos on them. So as of tomorrow, have a good trading day and keep it safe. Thanks.